over there. Are you a playmaker for a reason, what? Are you a playmaker for a reason, what? Hey, beat it! I see you, beat it!
Get up! Touch the base! Touch the base! Hey, right field, go back!
Man.
Pick it up, pick it up.
They just let them walk into second back. They get down there.
What they saying? What they saying down there? I know they hear me down there. Like, he talking too much.
Yeah. Oh, over here.
Behind you. Save it.
Be a wall, Five. Be a wall.
He ain't doing nothing but get away from me. He know we in the top of the line though. He throwing outside, but he finna get in his groove, coming inside fastball right here. Watch. That's his favorite pitch. Coming right now.
Need one, Jaden. Get him out of here.
You see him push outside? He coming though. He come with that heat, gonna be inside.
Let's go, Chillers. You got it now. Let's go.
Yes.
Yeah.
two on you, throwing fastball. You gotta see that his hand. You gotta protect the plate though. Be smart. Be aggressive. Walk out this way. Walk out. Squeeze him. Break. Rotate the wrist. Don't second guess. Be aggressive. Full count, Trey. We only got one pitch. Gotta be a fastball. If there ain't nothing else, we know where we're going. Got one pitch. Full count. We gotta come to you. Cause we're gonna go see about it. We don't want to start seeing like that. Come on here, throw us something, coach. Throw us something. We ain't come for that.
All right. Get ahead, kid.
You got one pitch, Dave. What you shaking with, Trey? Nobody covering that too.
Hey, get him at the plate.
Let's go. Hey, good job right there, Trey. Let's get it, Jaden. Wait, make money, Trey. Hey, this your world. This your world out here. He ain't doing nothing. Got one, he ain't doing nothing. You good? I ain't doing no playing.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about that, brother. Two out, Trey. Find a way to get his scoring position. He got no Hey, you a playmaker for a reason, boy. Hey, you a playmaker for a reason, boy. Hey, B-Day. I see you, B-Day. You a playmaker for a reason, boy. Oh, yeah. That's my son, if y'all ain't figure that out.
Go ahead and enjoy it.
Oh, yeah.
All right. All right, let's go. One more.
Check play, LJ. Got 2 on you. Be aggressive. Be that big time player that we know. Be that big time player that we know, LJ. He only got 1 pitch. You see it. Get out of there, relax. Step out of there, Bob. Get your stuff on, Trey. 2 outs. Had one then. That would have been a good one. Made that play. But didn't see it. Let's go infield. Got 2 on them. Play at 1. Play at 1. Play at 1 infield. Be aggressive on the ground ball. There we go. Man, we ain't throw it around. How you doing?
Let's go, Jaden.
All right, baby, you got this. Let's go. Wait on it. Wait on it a little bit. A little bit long.
Third base, he pulling over there to you. Give him same pitch. He pulling. Two down, 2 down. Dirk, I got that, Dirk. I'm on that. Way to play, vet. Way to play, vet. We got caught in the grass?
The little man tripped him over.
Oh, man.
The little man got that turf on him.
You good, bro? One good one, one good one. Well,
I called myself going to check on him. Sun down here, they were cold down there.
oh yeah.
My grandpa said you got some coffee in that bag. So then we brought him some peanuts.
Yeah. I wish I could.
What you trying to put it on top? Yeah, but on top we got it.
Tristan.
It's much better.
Wish I could put it up there. That's where I need to be at. Huh? Nah, but I can go 2 rows. I can let that down. It'll be perfect. Call Tristan's phone. Call his phone on with your phone. I've been trying to find that perfect spot. They don't want to sit in the chair with you.
Y'all want to sit? Y'all want to sit in the chair?
That chair can't come down for a second. Help now. I need help move the camera.
Oh, Tristan, I'm sorry. Your daddy said, can you come in for a second?
I want to move the camera.
Okay. Chair down there? Using the chair over there?
All day, baby.
Using that chair?
Nuh-uh. They can use.
All right.
I want to move this up there.
Get this chair right here and move it over here. You can sit right here.
Squeeze, Calvin, squeeze. I wanna.
It's warm.
I need to let them down a little bit. Yeah, you can let them down one at a time.
Okay. Hey, he choked. He choked.
I have to lock it in like it. Go ahead and lock the other one. Yeah, I locked all 3 of them. Appreciate it. That's it right there. Just lower it down a little bit. It kind of give a little bit better picture.
Hey, get him at the plate. Get him at the plate. There we go. Get him! He already seen
Nah, the guy didn't tag. I didn't see it, but I think he ain't tagging the first time or he missed him. I don't know. I couldn't see it. That pole got me. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I thought they had left him on the base.
All right, come on.
He look like a new guy running the bag.
All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. Hey, that's a good spot.
There you go.
All right, win.
Get up and let it travel. Don't let it travel. Don't be back in the box. Go up in the box. Go up. Foul.
Straighten it out. Hey, wait a split second, baby.
Up to the box. Up to the box.
Good eye, baby.
Let it travel. Move up.
Anything close. Anything close, guys. Let's go, baby. Anything close.
Yeah, better. When they started all this. When they started. When they started. That's a new rule. He said you can't say batter, you can't say popcorn. Like, I'm like, I mean, they ain't really say nothing bad. I mean, I said, I think we all have. I don't see it. I don't see it.
Let's go, Cordova. Let's go, baby. What a ball. Right here.
Ready?
Come on. Good eye.
Good eyes. Got this thing.
Thank you for
How you doing?
thank you for the thing. Her favorite choice is gonna be she got out comedy TV shows. They said for the it's cool.
All right, let's go, Pete. Hey, let's go, Pete. Hey, anything close?
Line drive the baseball. There you go.
Two outs. Play at one.
Don't worry about home. Go one.
All right. Let's see next one.
Good job, Trey.
Y'all been sure, Trey? Y'all been sure?
That could cause it in that scene.
Yeah, come on.
Wait a minute.
Hold on.
Get the ball.
Get down.
Hey, Trey, next time, make it yourself. He catch the ball with one hand and reaching with the ball in his glove, not put two hands, secure the ball, and make the tag. Come on, man. Is that been taught? Come on, duck down. Y'all won? Look at Ray.
I know the sun gone. He said he got lost.
It's time to bring David in. Trey.
You gotta find it.
You gotta do a better job of framing.
That's it.
No. Oh, he's inconsistent. Here go to it though.
That's why she excited.
Yeah. It's 3-3 that 3 games regardless.
She's always been like that. That's why, sometimes you have to treat cousins with
Hit it.
arm length.
So's why you here, baby. So's why you here.
Go, Trey.
Hey, he's been talk to him about throwing that curveball. We're just gonna try to break it on the outside. He's not gonna want to come at you. Anything is gonna have to get on top of it right now. When he get in this groove, we get a couple strikes on it. He's gonna push inside, play hard. He's gonna push the inside on you.
Go straight, son. Don't worry about that. Throw nice.
Take him with you, Katie. Left. Take left with you.
Go straight.
Good job.
Work down.
Wow.
Get it right there, though. He kept on top of the line, though.
He did.
Yeah, I just do it for the shot first. Just when we load the tip. Just give us a different view. Yeah. I usually shoot from wide side.
Hey, 2 outs. 2 outs. Play at one. Play at one.
I get it on her.
2 runs.
Yeah. He did it right there.
What's the matter? It's 2
Bring him
out.
down, Gabe.
It's 2 out. The run don't matter.
He throwing inside fastball hard.
Bring it down some. Bring it down some. Bring it down some.
There you go.
No. It's okay. It's okay.
Right there, Gabe. That ball that Trey hit was outside and it was low. He tried to get away. I just told him he was going to do that, but Trey got on it. But he didn't get it like he needed it, though. You see it? He ain't coming in. Yeah, I want to throw the ball down. Throw a fast ball down the middle. Trey needs to get him something. He got to wait on him, though. Got to be a little patient. Got 2 runners on right now. I'm trying to get
At least he's more aggressive.
Let's get the battle right here.
Needed Trey to be on base right now. How many outs we got? 2 outs. So. LJ, Trey would have been on base right now. LJ coming up.
Oh, come on, son.
Make money, Dave.
How more minutes?
Let's squeeze it, Kevin. Let's go.
Yeah,
One more strike.
Got 1 on the board. Coach J. Umpire got it.
Almost 2.
About that time.
Almost, y'all. Yes. It's almost over.
Good eye, Dave. Good eye. We need money, LJ. Can we get one over the gate today? Today.
Which gate?
Yo.
The side gate. This gate over here.
One of them.
I'm over here.
Listen, at least we can say we went over one of them.
Come out.
Get on! Man.
Every time, baby.
It's me over there. You want it bad. Yeah. He didn't do it. Come on,
Thank you.
Behind.
Wrap up so you can stay warm.
Down. 3 out, 3 down. Where we playing at? Where we playing at? Where we playing at, Dave? Play at 1. Play at 1. Here we go. Play at 1. Let's go. That winging right here. That's how I get down. Bring your back a little bit. Bring your back. Push off that mound a little bit. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. Same pitch. Trey. Hey, walk it out some. Easy pitch for him. You ain't got to throw it from there. Walk it out, throw it out there to him. Say your arm and say his arm.
Keep your head in there. Watch the ball. Watch the ball.
There you go. Bend that back. There you go. Hey, look. That's the pitch right there. Give him a little of that sugar right here, though. Something nice and sweet. Right here. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Come on, tuck it up in field. Let's go.
Line drive.
Got another one right here, baby.
Line drive to
Got another one right here. Bend that back. Bend that back. Bend that back.
Hands through the
Every
zone.
time. Bend that back. Same motion every time.
Line drive.
There you go.
Get out. Get out.
You all right? You all right? Come back right now. Take your deep breath.
2-0.
Shake it off a little bit. This your ball game. We on your time frame, baby. There you go. Deep breath. Give him that woo-woo.
Line drive.
There we go. There we go. Hey, he don't want none of that.
Not your pitch, Zion. Not your pitch.
He don't want none. He don't want none of that. Give it to him one more time, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Give him that woo-woo one more time. One more time. Woo-woo.
Hit it.
Woo-woo. Woo.
Hey, baby, get out.
I almost scooped that one right there, Trey. I almost scooped that one.
3-2.
Give him one good pitch. Take your time. Shake your arm out. Good deep breath. Bend that back. Give him that woo-woo. It's all right. Hey, hold him on, though. Don't let him just take no lead on you.
First base sleep. Everybody sleep. Somebody get a hit now. Everybody sleep. Everybody sleep.
Step off on that first one.
Back.
How do we miss signs that they own the wristband? Davey Ray, you gonna try to steal on him? He just gave him the signal. Step in first. Just step over there and throw it over there. Just step over there in that direction. There you go.
Yes.
Good throw, Trey. Come up out there a little faster, though. Hold him on. Stay right there, Dave.
Get out. Wait on your pitch. That's too high.
All right, get back to your pitch.
Make him bring it down to you.
Bend that back. Get back to that woo.
Make him bring it down to you.
Oh, there you go. Woo. That woo. To be not. I'm not. Yeah. That woo. Too long, baby. Play at one.
Whoever touched
Let's get out of here, baby.
Base hit, baby. 2 out, base hit.
Hold. You up. They got it third, they gonna kill the ball. They ain't waste that throw.
If he's coming home, you got to back out of the box.
Gotta hold him third. He getting a lead on the third. You gotta hold him third. He ain't been taught this. You don't know what I'm talking about. But you already gotta be there. If you hold him on, you don't have to worry about that.
Don't turn your head and run that.
He ain't been taught that. You don't know that.